Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com, and I'm excited to share that I am at one of our favorite places. We are at the Sheraton Universal here right by Universal Studios Hollywood, and we partnered with Getaway today to book this room. I'm going to share information with you as to how you can do the same thing to save not only on your hotel stay, but also on your trip to Universal Studios and other parks and activities in the area. But I wanted to give you a peek at this room. This is a 2-queen bedroom room here at the Sheraton Universal. These are really pretty rooms. I'm going to give you a peek at the bathroom. Great for family trips to Universal Studios Hollywood because it's literally just a quick walk away from the park. And they have a nice shuttle that gets you over there quickly, but really great because you can go back and forth between Universal Studios. The showers are amazing here. As you can see, you've got your really nice shower wand, big spacious shower. And there's a peek at the bathroom area, really nice. And then you've got lots of closet space as well. There's a refrigerator and a little coffee bar in the room, which is super handy for family travel as well. And then there's a peek at the room area. But you won't be in your room too much here. There's just so much. Universal City Walk is right up there. So there's plenty to do. We do not have a room with a view, and I always mention that I asked for that, but we did an early check-in because we want to get over to the park, and so I was less worried about the view. This time, we're going to head on over to the park, and I'll share more information with you on that, but I wanted to give you a look at what these rooms look like. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com, and a peek at our room here at the Sheraton Universal.